Paying your employees in a small business in United Kingdom is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay for your employees in your business in United Kingdom. So for that, you have to, register at this website, which is HMRC, which is HM Revenue and Custom Service. You just need to, type in HMRC registration. And as you guys can see, HMRC online registration. Now here you need to set up an account, and you need to, set up a personal tax account, and they will want you to add all the information. You have to click on the start now, and the process should begin for your account creation in HMRC. What is this? It lets you, track the taxes and every, revenue related information, every finance related information that is needed for United Kingdom's government. So you just need to, sign up to that, and it will, merge your bank account as well, which will let you pay your employees. So just it can have a track on your payments. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can pay for your employees in UK. Hope you guys find this video helpful.